Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be showing you how to manage the side panel in Chrome on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Begin by opening Chrome on your computer. Step 2. To resize the side panel, simply click and hold on the side of the panel, then drag it to your desired size. Step 3. If you want to change the location of the side panel, follow these steps. Click on the More button, represented by 3 dots, located at the top right of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings, and then choose Appearance. Under the Side Panel section, select the side where you want the panel to open. Step 4. To close the side panel, click on the Close button, located at the top right of the panel. That's it! You have successfully managed the side panel in Chrome on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.